What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, your cells are aging faster than they should? Scientists can actually measure it under a microscope. They can see the protective caps on your DNA shrinking with every breath you take, every meal you eat, every stressful moment you experience. But here's the incredible part. 3 Nobel Prize winners spent decades discovering how to slow this process down, and the answer might already be sitting in your kitchen. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could add years to your life. Welcome back to BioWell Hub, where we break down cutting-edge science into actionable steps you can use today. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss content that could literally change your life. And drop a comment telling us where you're watching from, because we absolutely love connecting with our community around the world who are serious about living longer and healthier lives. Let me introduce you to Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn, who won the Nobel Prize in 2009 for discovering something called telomeres. Think about your shoelaces for a second. At each end, there's a plastic cap that stops the lace from fraying, right? Well, your DNA has something similar. These caps are called telomeres, and they protect your genetic information. Every single time your cells divide to replace old skin, heal a wound, or fight off an infection, these telomeres get a little bit shorter. When they become too short, your cells stop working properly. They age, they die, and this triggers the diseases that kill most people. Heart disease, Alzheimer's, diabetes, and cancer. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Dr. Blackburn's research proved that chronic stress actually shrinks your telomeres faster. In one groundbreaking study, mothers caring for chronically ill children had telomeres that looked biologically 10 years older than their actual age. But the breakthrough discovery was this: you can protect your telomeres through what you eat. A study published in a major medical journal showed that people who made specific lifestyle changes, including eating certain foods, increased their telomere-protecting enzyme activity by up to 84% in just 3 months. A 5-year follow-up found these people increased their telomere length by 10%, while the control group's telomeres shortened by 3%. So what foods actually protect these cellular caps? Wild-caught salmon, sardines, mackerel, walnuts, and flax seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids that research has directly linked to longer telomeres. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries provide powerful antioxidants that reduce DNA damage. Load up on spinach, kale, broccoli, and colorful bell peppers for vitamin C, vitamin E, and folate, all essential for DNA protection. And don't forget whole grains like oats and quinoa, plus legumes like lentils and chickpeas, which supply the fiber and B vitamins your cells desperately need. Now let's talk about the second Nobel discovery that changed everything. Dr. Yoshinori Osumi won the Nobel Prize in 2016 for discovering autophagy, which literally means self-eating in Greek. Your cells actually consume their own damaged parts to survive and renew themselves. It's like your body has a built-in recycling system that breaks down cellular junk before it can cause inflammation, disease, and aging. The problem is, this system only activates when you give your body a break from constant eating. Research shows that fasting for 12 to 24 hours triggers this cellular cleanup process. In blue zones, regions where people routinely live past 100, residents in Greece observe about 150 days of religious fasting yearly, combined with a Mediterranean diet rich in vegetables and olive oil. This isn't coincidence. Studies of healthy young males during Ramadan fasting showed that autophagy-related genes increased significantly, peaking around the mid-fasting periods. Here's how to activate this in your own life. Practice time-restricted eating where you consume all your meals within an 8 to 10 hour window. For example, Eat between noon and 8 p.m. This gives your body a solid 16 hours without food, allowing autophagy to work its magic. Stop constant snacking and give your body 4 to 5 hours between meals. During fasting periods, you can drink water, black coffee, or green tea. And when you do eat, include green tea, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower, which all support this cellular cleanup system. The third Nobel discovery comes from Dr. Venki Ramakrishnan, who revealed the atomic structure of ribosomes, the tiny factories inside every cell that produce all your body's proteins. These proteins build tissues, fight infections, repair damage, and run thousands of processes keeping you alive. Supporting your ribosomes means eating high-quality proteins like wild-caught fish, pasture-raised eggs, and plant proteins like hemp seeds. Magnesium from pumpkin seeds, almonds, and dark chocolate is essential for ribosome function. And here's something crucial. Adequate sleep is critical because your cells repair themselves during sleep, including processes involving ribosomes. Listen. These aren't magic foods. They're fuel for the microscopic machinery keeping you alive. They protect your DNA caps, activate your cellular cleanup system, and maintain your protein factories. Longevity isn't about expensive treatments or miracle supplements. 3 Nobel Prize winners prove that your body already has systems to heal itself and slow aging. Every single meal is an opportunity to send signals to your cells saying, repair yourself, protect yourself, stay strong. If this video gave you a clear path to healthier aging, do me a favor and share it with someone you care about. Hit that like button if you're ready to start supporting your body's natural longevity systems, and I'll see you in the next video here at BioWell Hub.